Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to refer to your friends and share the application with them in order to get tickets that you can use in the Stocard rewards cards wallet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this account button down below that can be found in the right side corner of the screen. Then go to the share section at the top and click on refer a friend. Scroll down to the bottom where you can find this share with friends section. Here you can see that you will get tickets once your friend adds a card and when they register an account. Here you can see that you will earn 10 tickets. Tap on this button down below. And here you can refer a friend via airdrop, messages, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and other social networking sites. If you tap on messages, you will be able to see that there is a link and an accompanying message. Hi, I think you like an easy way to store and access your loyalty cards, blah, blah, blah. And then you should add the contact into the to section in order to send the message, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.